Now we study the resolution of vectors. This is a process of finding component of a given vector called as resolution of vector. The given vector can be split up into two or more components such that the combined effect of these components is same as the original vector. Now original vector is generally this is a sum of rectangular compound of two vectors. Let us see how to find the rectangular component of single vector in a two dimensions. Consider there is a one Cartesian coordinate system of two dimensions, x-axis and y-axis, and OC bar is a resultant vector r bar, which is passing through the origin of Cartesian coordinate system. We want to find the rectangular component of r bar into two dimension, means we find the resolution of one vector into two component. First is along x-axis and the second is along y-axis. To find the resolution of one vector into two component, consider r bar is equals to OC bar, which is shown in this diagram. Here we do some construction. Initially draw the perpendicular from the point C to point A. Similarly, draw the perpendicular from the point C to point B. We get one rectangle. Again, we know that the different or opposite sides of the rectangle are always equal. Means this is ry bar, then this also ry bar, and the Rx bar is also equals to Rx bar. Now, Rx bar is equals to OA bar and Ry bar is equals to OB bar, which is shown in this diagram. Means OA bar is equals to Rx bar and AC bar is equals to OB bar is equals to Ry bar. Again, we know that I cap and j cap are unit vectors of x-axis and y-axis respectively. Hence, the Rx bar and Ry bar are represented as Rx bar is equals to I cap Rx and Ry bar is equals to j cap Ry. Means I cap and j cap are rectangular unit vectors of x-axis and y-axis. Now by using triangular law for a vector triangle OAC, we say that r bar is equals to Rx bar plus Ry bar. See now this diagram which is shown here by the shaded portion, or consider a triangle OAC. By using triangular law for this triangle, Rx bar plus Ry bar is equals to r bar. Hence, r bar is equals to I cap Rx plus j cap Ry. Means we resolve r bar into two components. One is Rx bar, which is horizontal component, and the second is Ry bar, which is vertical component on the y-axis. Now we find their magnitudes. Let r bar, this vector, make some inclination with x-axis. Means the angle between r bar and x-axis is theta. Now consider this vector triangle OAC. By using simple trigonometry for this right angle triangle, we find cos theta is equals to cos theta equals adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Hence, the adjacent side is Rx and hypotenuse is R. Here Rx and R are magnitude of Rex bar and R bar. Hence, Rex is equals to R cos theta. This is the horizontal component of R bar. Means Rex bar is a horizontal component of R bar along x axis and its magnitude is equals to Rex equals R cos theta. Similarly, same triangle gives another trigonometry. Sin theta is equals to Ry upon R. Means sin theta equals opposite side upon hypotenuse. Hence sin theta equals Ry upon R is equals to Ry is equals to R sin theta. R sin theta, this is a vertical component, means Ry equals R sin theta, this is a vertical component along y-axis. I repeat again, this R bar is resolved into two components. One is horizontal component Rex bar, its magnitude is equals to R cos theta, and the vertical component Ry bar, its magnitude is R sin theta. Now squaring and adding equation number 1 and 2, we get Rx square plus Ry square is equals to R square cos square theta plus R square sin square theta. Hence, Rx square plus Ry square is equals to R square in the bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta, because here R square and R square both are common. Hence, again we know that the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Hence, Rx square plus Ry square is equals to R square. Take a square root of both sides. We get R is equals to square root Rx square plus Ry square. Hence, we easily find how the one vector R bar is resolved into two components. One is horizontal component Rex bar and the another is vertical component Ry bar. And again we easily find the magnitude of a resultant by two vertical component, means R is equals to square root Rx square plus Ry square in a two dimension. Now, if there are three axes, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and the R bar, this is a vector, a resultant vector placed in the Cartesian coordinate system, and it starts from origin of the Cartesian coordinate system. Then, this R bar is again resolved into three components. One is along x-axis in terms of I cap, another is along y-axis in terms of j cap, and the third is vertical along z-axis k cap in terms of k cap. Now this R bar gives a magnitude R equals square root Rx square plus Ry square plus Rz square, where Rx, Ry and Rz are the magnitudes of R bar along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Now we take one example to find the magnitude of any vector. Let A bar is equals to one vector which is placed in a three-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. In the physics or in the scalar vectors, any vector is represented as A bar equals Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. Similarly, we represent B bar is equals to Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Now this vector A bar gives a magnitude A. Hence, magnitude of any vector A is equals to square root Ax square plus ay square plus az square. In the previous equation, we studied r bar is equals to r bar, its magnitude is r equals to square root rx square plus ry square plus rz square. By replacing r, we write here a bar or a. For example, a bar is equals to twice I cap minus 2j cap plus 4 cap. Find magnitude of this vector. Hence, magnitude is equals to a equals square root ax square. Ax square means 2 square. Hence 2 square. Ay square is equals to minus 2 square plus az square. Az square is replaced by 4 square. Squaring both, we get a equals square root 4 plus 4 plus 16. Hence, it is equals to root 24 is equals to root 6 into 4. It is also equals to 2 into root 6. This is a magnitude of given vector. By using this formula, we can easily find magnitude of any vector. Now, good day students, study these all lectures carefully. You get success. I send to you a exercise on this session after this section.